Welcome to the Daily Rant. And today the Daily Rant has to do with things that companies take for granted and think that everybody are on that same level. And one of them is accounts. So you go into a Google account, a Gmail, you go into a Outlook account, check for your email, whatever account you are going to, more and more, for a security reason, there's a use of what is called two-factor authentication. Maybe it's your bank. Your bank is pushing you towards two-factor authentication. The problem is that, a lot of these services don't realize that not everybody is connected to the point where that two-factor authentication is something easy to do for them. And an example of that, we talked about Gmail that and Google accounts that want to send QR codes rather than text messages. But there are still people out there that don't have a cell phone or a smartphone. So if you don't have that, how do you connect to a service like that? There's often an overlooked thing. Now, some accounts and some companies do have a simple one, which is call a phone number and a automated voice gives you a number over the phone. I've had that a few times, and that is fine when you are in that situation. But a lot of companies don't offer that choice. They'll offer either, online or with an app, an authenticator app. Yeah, but what if you don't have a smartphone? What's the options? So I think companies need to sit down and have an option of all of them. An example that I will give is Outlook on Microsoft accounts. There are ways to get a Microsoft account code when you need to enter one on another email. Now, again, you need at least two emails because it will send it to another email, which is not your Outlook email, because you can't enter your Outlook email without the code. At least that is manageable. People could actually have, more than one email, and, that other email will be used for the validation of a code. But still, it makes it tough for a lot of people to manage all of this. I'm highly connected. I have all options available, and I use them on my accounts with two-factor authentication to stay safe. But I do realize that a lot of people are not there and don't have all that flexibility and all that technology. So what happens is that you end up with, people feeling kind of left out a little bit and doing things because of that. So I think companies need to realize not everybody is connected, not everybody has a cell phone, and not everybody has a smartphone. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.